Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can insert a SIM card to your Huawei Nova 11 Pro. For that you need your SIM card and a paper clip or your SIM card ejector. And right now you see that there is no SIM. It says there we have no signal, and when we go to our settings, go to mobile network SIM management, there is no SIM card inserted, as we can also see there, obviously. And we will go ahead and look for the SIM card tray now, and on this phone it's down here. So we'll go ahead and open the SIM card tray, take it out, and we have a space for one SIM and also a second SIM. And now we're gonna take our SIM card, insert that, and then put it back in the phone. And first thing we need to do now is to unlock our SIM card and then our phone. And now we're back and we see our provider here. We see that we have signal. And if we go to our settings, go to mobile network, SIM management, we see our SIM card right here. So that's how you can insert a SIM card to your Huawei Nova 11 Pro. You can now make phone calls, send SMS, or whatever else. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.